Year 5, mental maths test. Mark my words. It's mental. Year 5. Hope you like the new intro. Snazzy, eh? Quite a IT whiz, aren't I? Only joking. Right, so Year 5's mental maths test. Same as before. As always, you get 12 questions, 10 to 15 seconds on each question. And remember, if you're struggling on one and I move on with me. Okay, so we're going to start in 10 seconds, so make sure you got your pen and paper ready. Okay then, so question 1. What is 60 multiplied by 20? So think about how we do that using known multiplication facts. 60 multiplied by 20. Question 2. Add together 112 and 19. Add together 112 and 19. Question 3. Subtract 18 from 45. Subtract 18 from 45. Question 4. What is the product of 5 and 11? What is the product of 5 and 11? Question 5. Round the number 13.4 to the nearest whole number. Round 13.4 to the nearest whole number. Question 6. Simplify the fraction 5/15. So think about how you simplify a fraction. So simplify the fraction 5/15. Question 7 is write the fraction 3/7. So write down the fraction 3/7. Question 8. Split £3.81 equally between 3 people. So split that amount of money equally between 3 people. And if you get this one right, very well done, because it is tricky. Question 9. You leave your house at 6:50 in the morning. Your journey to school takes 36 minutes. What time do you arrive at school? Okay, so you leave at 6:50 in the morning. Your journey takes 36 minutes. And what time do you arrive at school? That was question 9. Nearly home. Question 10. So we're about these. Okay, question 10. Write down in numbers the time 25 to 8 in the morning. So write down in numbers the time 25 minutes to 8 in the morning. That's question 10. Question 11 is convert 154 minutes into hours and minutes. So convert 154 minutes into hours and minutes. And the last one, question 12, is add together 2 hours and 110 minutes. And I want you to write your answer in hours and minutes. Okay? So add together 2 hours and 110 minutes and write down your answer in hours and minutes for me, please. And that's your last question. Okay then, so get ready because we're going to go through the answers in 10 seconds, folks. And I'm going to do them on the spot. Okay, so question 1 was 60 multiplied by 20. So how I would have done it is I would have quickly written down 60 times 2 is 120. And if I make my 2 10 times bigger to 20, I make my answer 10 times bigger. So the answer is 1,200. Question 2, add together 112 and 19. So 19 is really close to 20. So I would have added on 20 and then taken away 1. So my answer is 131. 3, subtract 18 from 45. So I gave you those numbers. I would have just quickly said, what do I add on to 18 to get up to 35? And my answer is 27. Question 4, product of 5 and 11. So remember, product, I'm asking you to multiply the two numbers together. So the answer there is 55. Question 5, round 13.4 to the nearest whole number. Sorry, that's 13. Question 6, simplify the fraction 5/15. Okay, so remember, when you have a fraction, you're asked to simplify it. You're looking for the largest number that you can count up and land on both 5 and 15. Okay, what's the highest factor of both 5 and 15? Well, the answer is 5 there. So how many 5s in 15? 3. How many 5s in 5? 1. So simplifying 5/15, you get a third. Question 7. Write the fraction 3/7. It looks like that. Remember, if your fraction line is, that's rubbish. If your fraction line is a line like that, a horizontal line, that's fine too. Question 8. Okay, so split £3.81 equally between 3 people. These are the ones which you've got to come up with methods which you can do in your head quite quickly. So 3 people, straight away, I would have probably said, first way I would have done it is I would have split that equally between 3 people. They all get £1. And then I would have said, right, 81. Okay, so if I do 81, split 3 ways. How many 3s in 8? 2. 2 left over. How many 3s in 21? 7. So they both get, all 3 of them get 27p as well. So the answer is £1.27. They're the really challenging ones. If you got that one right, really well done. Okay, so you left the house. Let me just get rid of that. So you left the house at 6:50 in the morning. And I said your journey took 36 minutes. What time do you arrive at school? I would have added on 10 minutes out of my 36 to get up to 7. And then easily, then I would have just added on the remaining 26 minutes. So the answer is 7:26. I did say the morning, so you should have put AM down as well. Write down in numbers the time 25 minutes to 8. So 25 minutes to 8 is 7:35. And again, I said the morning, so you should have written AM. It's really important that you put, if they say morning, put AM. If they say evening, put PM or afternoon, PM. Okay, convert 154 minutes into hours and minutes. Okay, so how many hours can I take out of this? Well, 2 hours is 120 minutes. So I can take out 2 hours, and I'm left then with 34 minutes. So 154 minutes is that. Get rid of that for the last one. The last one was, okay, so you were adding together 2 hours and 110 minutes. So straight away, I would have converted the hours to minutes, which is 120. And I would have added the 110 minutes on to give me 230 minutes. And I would have said, right, how can I convert that into hours and minutes? Well, I take out 3 hours, which is 180 mins. And then I've got 50 minutes left out of my 230. So my answer for the last one is 3 hours and 50 minutes. Anything in double figures. So if you've got 10, 11 or 12 out of 12, really, really well done. I'm sure our mental math skills are improving. Keep it up, okay? I'm really, really proud of you because you're doing really well. 26 lessons. It's fantastic. Look forward to seeing you for lesson 27. Have a great day. Maths is fun.